In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your USDC wallet address inside of ByBit. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up ByBit like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the exchange and down to deposit. Then from here, you need to go up to the search bar and click USDC like so. And as you can see here, the USD coin, the first one, you need to click on that. Then from here, you need to choose a chain type or a network. And you need to make sure that you choose the correct network, or else your cryptocurrency might disappear and there's no way to get that back. So for this example, I'm just going to use the Ethereum or ERC20. It will look like this either way. So then from here, you'll have the QR code, the wallet address that you can copy to your clipboard. You can add the root deposit to. You can see the deposit arrival. You can see the withdrawal unlocked and the contract address. You can also down here save image to your photos, and you can also copy address down here if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions,